Okay, so you need to development of industries in India. Okay, so what we have seen that so far in this lesson, yeah, decline of Indian industries. Okay, that's one we have seen that. So now we are going to see about beginning of modern industries. Beginning of modern industries. So what are the early stages industries in India, ancient India? That means yeah, so cultivation, and then so one of the main important one is for traditional crafts. Yeah, that is traditional crafts also one of the main work in the early stages of India. Okay, now look at the beginning of modern industries. Beginning of modern industries. The process of industrialization started in India from the mid 19th century. The beginning of modern industry is associated with the development in mainly plantations like jute, cotton, and also steel. There was a limited development of mining, especially coal. The accelerated industrialization began with the development of railways and roadways. This growth greatly influenced the economic and the social life of people in the country. The two world wars gave an impetus to the development of number of industries such as chemical, iron and steel, sugar, cement, glass and other consumer goods. Most mills were set up by wealthy Indian businessmen. Initially, this development was confined to the setting up of cotton and jute textile mills. Okay, so the beginning of modern industries. So this process, the process of industrialization, okay, the process of industrialization began in India at the even middle of the 19th century. Okay, that is the first point. And then the beginning of modern industry is mainly about, yeah, so what, yeah, what was the aim, what was the objective for this industrialization? The beginning of modern industry is mainly about everything but that should be related to the development of hemp, cotton and then steel, so on. Okay, that is okay. And then the growth in the coal mining industry was limited only. Well, so that modern industry only focused on that cotton, steel, sugar, so on. Okay, so therefore the growth in the yeah, so that the growth in the coal mining we know that. Okay, the growth in the coal mining industry was limited. So industrialization began as soon as the development of the, also the industrialization started as soon as the development of railways and roadways also accelerated. Okay, and also the two world war gave an impetus to the development of number of industries. That's two world war: chemical, iron, steel, sugar, cement, so on. Okay, the first one is plantation industries. First one is plantation industries. The plantation industry was the first to attract the Europeans. The plantation industry could provide jobs on a large scale, and in reality, it could meet the increasing demands for tea, coffee, indigo by British society. Therefore, the plantation industry was started early on. The Assam Tea Company was founded in 1839. Coffee plant. Okay, so first of all, the plantation industry first attracted European. Okay, the plantation industry first attracted European. Although the plantation industry could provide a large number of jobs. Okay, the plantation industry could provide large number of jobs. In fact, it was able to meet the growing demand. It was able to meet only growing demand for tea and coffee by British society. So which is plantation industry was started early. So this is why the plantation industry started early. Okay, so and then the Assam Tea Company founded in when the Tea Company founded in 1839. Coffee plantation also started simultaneously. Yeah. So first of all, tea company was started, and then continuously, okay, consequently, coffee plantation also started as the tea plantation was the most important industry of eastern India. Coffee plantation became the center of activities in South India. Okay, so in eastern India, what was the most important industry? Tea plantation. And the southern in South India, coffee plantation becomes a center of activities. Yeah, that's it. The third important plantation which gave birth to factory was jute. This is the third important plantation. So tea, coffee. After tea, coffee, the third one important was jute. All these industries were controlled by the many former employees of the British East India Company. Look at that. All these industries were, so all these industries are controlled by, not just controlled. Okay, controlled means supervising, yeah, like that only. Controlled by many former employees of the British East India Company. And then machine based industries. Yeah, look at that. This is a machine based. Machine based means that company, so many factories. Yeah, so plantation industry means like that. Cultivation, yeah, like that. Machine based means we know that. In India, modern industrial sector in an organized from started with the establishment of cotton textile industry in Bombay in 1854. Okay, so with the establishment of the cotton yarn, with the establishment of cotton yarn from cotton yarn in Bombay, India, however, in 1854, an organized modern industrial which was started. In 1855, jute industry was started. So in 1854, cotton textile industry started. In 1855, jute industry was started. The first, okay, and then the first paper mill was started in Ballygunge near Calcutta in 1870. So the first paper mill 1870 was Ballygunge near Calcutta. The cotton mills were dominated by Indian enterprises and the jute mills were owned by the British capitalists. Cotton mills were opened in Bombay and Ahmedabad and the jute mills profiled on the Hooghly River banks. The wool and leather factories became the prominent in Kanpur. Yeah, in the Kanpur, the woolen and leather, woolen sweater. We know that sweater. Yeah, woolen means that is one type of cloth. Woolen sweater like that. Leather also we know that. So that these factories became a prominent in Kanpur. And then heavy industries. The heavy industries included the iron and the steel industry. So heavy industry. Okay, heavy. So heavy in சொல்லும்போது we know that what is heavy. So the steel, iron, yeah, like that. So steel was first manufactured by modern methods at Kulti in 1874. Okay, the steel was first manufactured by modern methods at where Kulti in 1874. And iron and steel industry began rooted in the Indian soil in the beginning of 20th century. Okay, and then however the credit for the development of large scale manufacture of steel is India goes to Jamshedji Tata. So Jamshedji Tata, okay, the all the credit for the development of the steel in India goes to Jamshedji Tata. The Tata Iron and the Tata Steel Company, TA, okay, Tata Iron and Tata Steel Company was set up in the 1907 at Jamshedpur. It started producing pig iron in 1911, steel ignores in 1912. Yeah, and then yeah, that's it. This is a modern industry. Okay, this is a beginning of modern industries. So just read growth of modern industries.